smart manufacturing with AI. The company focuses on machine vision, AMR products and solutions. We always strive to provide the best products and solutions for our customers. We have developed novel visual perspectives for industrial interconnection by empowering industrial machines with visual perception intelligence to elevate smart manufacturing to a whole new level. iRayple offers various industry solutions that facilitate digital production. Our 6-sided code reading DWS systems are applied in large distribution centers. They can easily read barcodes around the entire 360 degrees, quickly accessing critical information, such as the parcel size and weight, and adopt vision inspection to efficiently handle the movement of large volume of goods. iRayple's industrial area scan cameras for production lines, designed to empower robotic arms with visual intelligence to accurately grip items at different angles and help realize tangible cost reductions and enhance efficiency. Automatic visual detection equipment deployed in automotive manufacturing plants can help identify tiny defects and ensure the inspected parts' optimal quality. In food manufacturing, pharmaceutical, and new energy industries, iRayple's machine vision products and solutions can help improve product quality and reduce production costs to create a better life with visual intelligence. Our proprietary machine vision products cover the full range of pixel resolutions, from low to ultra-high. These include the 600 MP camera that will elevate visual analytical capabilities to a whole new level, as they allow for higher standards in quality testing. And our 3D cameras can output stereoscopic and intuitive measurement results at the micrometer level, giving greater possibilities in detection. Our solutions support various data interfaces to meet the application requirements of different scenarios. More than 1,000 proprietary underlying visual algorithm factors are embedded into hundreds of visual tools, which are now packaged into the software of algorithm platforms to integrate visual functions, such as location, vision measurement, recognition, defect detection, and deep learning. The embedded algorithm modules are integrated with our industrial area scan cameras for easier deployment, from cameras, lenses, to light sources and other accessories. From traditional algorithms to intelligent algorithms, iRayple provides flexibility in every solution configuration to meet the visual requirements in the era of industrial interconnection. iRayple offers more effective solutions for smart logistics and energy. iRayple's transfer AMR, lifting AMR, forklift AMR, and patrol AMR products, based on RCS control platform, ICS integrated system, and mobile app, can achieve 360 degrees safe obstacle avoidance, smart recognition, autonomous adjustment and charging, a smooth intelligent production and handling process performed without manual intervention. The towering AMR can meet the challenging requirements for product line material transfer demands for the 3C industry, giving a more orderly end-to-end production process. The lifting AMR can automatically handle the shelves and respond to production needs without manual intervention, making materials to person, intelligent picking and handling a reality, as it replaces manual labor with the solution for smart, automated manufacturing. The Patrol AMR marks the future development trends in smart energy infrastructure, as the comprehensive control by various types of Patrol AMRs can effectively improve the efficiency in equipment management. Based on production and business systems, such as ERP and MES, our customized smart factory logistics solution is designed to optimize the handling path in logistics applications to reduce the overall costs. In the future, AMRs that adopt navigation methods integrated with multiple sensors will move autonomously, like humans, to easily cope with complex environments. 5G applications will support more efficient data transmission and make network deployment more convenient and promote the rapid implementation of cloud-based scheduling, thus creating greater possibilities for industrial applications. From development to product design, from manufacturing to quality testing, every product from iRayple has been subjected to stringent limit tests, our products are designed to cope with complex environments, and we continue to set the benchmarks in industry standards. To date, iRayple has been widely recognized in the industry for what it has achieved. The company continues to make breakthroughs as it sets new benchmarks in quality. Empower smart manufacturing with visual intelligence. Accelerate the future development with AMRs. Ride the waves of industrial interconnection. Power the digital industrial revolution with iRayple.